So, that person can support you when you need help. Remember that asking for help is a sign of bravery, not weakness. There's not wrong with asking for help. Well, as a veteran, you go through a lot, and I'm a veteran myself, so I understand how it is. I've been to war and came back, and I had PTSD, and I experienced traumatized for many years, and I still do, but with therapy and treatment, therapy, medication, you can get better. It's not a